Crude oil daily forecast April 30th, fxempire.com. Looking at the light sweet crude markets, you can see we had a positive session on Monday, but did not manage to get above the $95 level, unfortunately. It is there that we need to break out of in order to continue higher. Because of that, we recognize the bullishness, but we think we may possibly end up bouncing around between 92 and 95 with an upward bias. If we manage to break above 95, though, then obviously things are very bullish, and we could probably run to about 97.50 without too many issues, quite frankly. Looking at this chart, we would say that's likely to happen. The real question is how long do we need to consolidate in the meantime? There are a lot of forces out there pushing commodity markets around right now, a lot of which have nothing to do with the commodities themselves. So, of course, caution is warranted. Looking into the Brent market, it gets a little bit more complicated. And this is mainly because we have a fairly significant previous resistance area at the 10 or support area, excuse me, at the 104 level, which now should act as resistance. If we manage to break above it, we'll probably grind our way up to about 106. Could take some time though, and expect a lot of volatility. If we manage to get above there, then we really could be aiming for as high as 110, and even at that point, we would have to question a lot of things. The Brent markets will be affected by the lack of demand in places like Europe. So this is probably going to be the least performing of the two contracts, all things being equal. Uh, we do recognize the high probability for some type of pullback, but we think for the meantime uh, there will be more of a sideways grind, maybe with a slight upward bias.